A very good morning to everyone. So today we are shooting this video for the CEL 2102 week 9. Okay. So firstly I would like to do my self-introduction to myself. My name is Oi Kok Ming. My matrix number is 187862.
Okay, my name is Cao Jing Hui. My matrix number is 186830.
My name is Sharon Osui. My matrix number is 190129.
Okay, so basically today the title of our video is most people think that money is equal to happiness. Okay, so what is our opinion? So the first thing I need to emphasize is, okay, nowadays the money is a very important thing to our daily life, because without money we can't I mean that we can't buy anything that we want, we can't go anywhere that we want to go. So for me, I agree with this sentence. I mean that the money is equal to happiness. So what do you think that?
Okay, for me in this issue, I think that money is not actually equal to happiness, because there's still got a lot of things like your love, your bonding between people that is not come from money. What do you think?
I think that money is not equal to happiness, because there are still something on earth that they are priceless. Like your parents' love, your sibling love, your friends' love is still priceless. You don't need money to buy that.
Okay, I can see your point, both of your points. Okay, but I would like to say that I will give my example for myself. So in my family, I come from very a bit poor. It's not that wealthy or rich family. I come from a middle stage family. So basically every month our family will facing one problem. There is the money management. Come from the end of the month, my parents, they were very worried and very frustrated, because the coming bills every month, the electric bills, the internet bills, water bills is coming. So basically they are quite sad, and what can I say is they are very worried, very upset. What can I say is very upset, because they have no enough money to pay for that. Yes, they have, but then they need to manage the money very well. What I can say is we are lack of money to clear our bills. So from their face expression, I can see that they're definitely not happy at all.
Okay, but if they manage to their money management is doing well, they don't have to worry about money. They can enjoy their life. They can enjoy their family. So happiness can come from the other thing if you can manage your money. Still, that happiness is not equal to your money.
Okay,
Yes.
so you say that you come from a middle stage family. Okay, we all do come from a middle. We are not come from a very wealthy family.
Yeah.
But do you enjoy your time with your family?
Yeah, I quite.
When your mom cook and then you eat with your parents, you eat with your family, the bonding between the family. Do you feel happy when you're doing that?
Do you
Yes,
the
I'm
bonding?
happy.
So it's priceless also, right?
Yes,
And you are
I can
happy
see
when
your
you're
point.
doing that also.
Yes, I can see your point. But then one problem we can't ignore that is everything in our house we need money to buy the things. What I can say is the
you see that we
ingredients.
come from a medium stage. It's not like really poor until we cannot afford that. We still can afford, but then it's not so branded. Like you want to buy a sports shoe, it doesn't even have to be a Nike or Adidas. You can just buy a normal sports shoe that you can use to go sport. It doesn't need the name.
Yes.
That is the brand.
When your parents buy you a new shoe, you don't care the brand, right? You just see that it's like a normal shoe, like 180. There's like more than enough already. It doesn't even have to be 300, 200. So it's 300 sports shoe. It can be equal to 100 ringgit sports shoe. So that's their happiness. You don't really need so much money for the happiness.
Okay. So in our family, I can say that our family member is not that the branded chasing people. So just like what Xing Hui said just now is, if we got if we do the better money management, then we we could be in a worry-free situation, right?
Yeah.
So what I would like to say is, if we got the higher monthly income, or we got extra, if we got more money, and then I can say that our money management can do better.
So you don't have to worry about your money. So money, you can enjoy your life. You can enjoy to be with your family, right? So there is not all the thing is not about the money. It's just how you enjoy it.
Yes, if you say that money is not all the thing, yes, I agree with that statement. But now I need to raise up the issue is the money is equal to happiness. So why do I say so? Is because if we lack money, and then we are very tension, we are standing a very tension and frustrated in situations. If let's say the bills come to your house, and then your study, your car loans, house loan, everything that need money.
Okay.
Right? So if you want to, yes, if you say a simple life is happy enough for your family, yes. For my family, we also did the same way. But then the thing is, if you want to go to some better place to having a family dinner, so it costs a lot of money also.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, I got you. Actually, I got a point. Okay, now let me ask you. Like now you have a high income, you can buy anything you want, iPhone, iPad, anything you want. Do you feel happy?
Basically, yes, I do say so.
Okay, so by the time do you spend time with your family?
Okay, do you like having bonding with your family, your friend?
No, right? Because you are so busy finding money, and then you neglected your
So
family.
now you are alone.
Okay.
So end of the day, your family will hate you because you didn't spend time with them.
If I buy a very big HD TV and I can watch TV and at home with my family members, with all of my family members, and then can I say that I'm enjoying the happiest moment in my own home?
No, for now you only can choose money, either money or family. So what you can choose? What you want to choose? You want the bonding, or you just want the money to buy anything you want, to spend on any kind of activity you want to do?
What I will say is I will spend the money to having a happier moment with my family.
So you still have to spend your time bonding with your family, and then the bonding is not caused by money, not because you got your HD TV. Even you got a small TV, you can still enjoy with your family.
Yeah.
Okay, so I agree with your point. I agree with your point, but then what I need to say is, okay, if I got money, if I got a lot of money, doesn't mean that I will break my bond with my family. I still can remain my bond, but in better way. What I mean is, if I got extra money, I still can having a dinner, a simple dinner at home. But then after dinner, I can watch the quad HD TV at home with my family members. I can also do a trip, foreign country. I can go to China, Australia, a lot of places. If I got money, I can trick them to go. And then they don't need to pay extra money. Okay, in the same way, we are doing the trips, either in the local area or the foreign area. Local country or local area or the foreign country. So both of them are the trips, so we are doing the trips. But then if we go to the foreign country, it costs a lot. But then in the same way, we still can enjoy our happiest moment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with you. Now I think after I hear what she said, I do agree that money equals to happiness.
Yeah, so that's why.
Because as she said, right, when
yes.
you compare, you find more happiness in another way that you have a lot of money.
Yeah. So the
it
point
still can be
is,
simple.
yes, simple is good. Okay, you're right. Simple is
You
good.
see, the simple level the happiness is here. But then with the money happiness, your simple is here. You better choose here, right? So with more money, you can find more happiness than less money.
Yes. So basically, what we are trying to say is, having money doesn't mean that we will break the bond, we will break the family bond. The bond in our family. We still can remain the bonds. The extra money doesn't make the bonds break. It just only make the bond stronger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now how if you got something something mess with money with your family, like you argue because of money.
If I got extra
That
money,
is because of money you didn't gain the happiness.
if my family is very rich and wealthy, then how? How we can have having the money argument? Totally, we won't get the money argument, right?
Like you have a debt with your family, like you owe.
If we have
Then-
extra money, definitely we will have that.
Yeah.
We will clear the debt, right? So it's okay, Xinghui.
Okay.
In our
Okay.
nowadays we need
I
to be
see
realistic.
community.
Okay, in nowadays we need to be realistic because now it's already 2016, right? So in this world, the money really run the world,
Okay.
right? So if we without any money,
Money run the world.
if you without money, definitely you can't enjoy most of the things. You still can enjoy. I mean, you can enjoy the most simple lifestyle, but then you can't have a better lifestyle,
Yeah.
right? So if I got money, I still can live in the very happy. I mean home. Very sweet home.
How if you do something without using your money?
Example.
Example, you doing volunteer. Like volunteering is not about you pay money, like you teaching people, teach your friend how to do your homework. That one cost money? Is that cost money?
No, not so.
Okay. So do you feel that you having bonding with your friend?
Mm-hmm.
So that one is happiness.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes something can become without using any kind of money state.
Yes. You got a point. I can see your point. But then let's say if a group of friends they're doing the trip outside, they plan to go a place. Singapore country, and then you need money to do a passport, to do the transport fees, a lot of fees you need to pay. But then in the same way, you're still having the happy moment with your friends, but it just make you more happier.
More costly.
Yeah, I mean it will make you.
More costly, more happy.
More
You
costly,
make it
more
easier.
happy.
More money, more happy.
So
Right.
you mean that money is like a tool, a thing, tools for you to achieve what you want.
I would like to correct your sentence because in my opinion, in my stand is
Okay.
if the simple life lah. Both simple life got money or without money, without extra money, we are living in the very we can live in the very happy situations. But if I got extra money, I can go further, I can do better, I can have a happier moment.
Oh, you mean happier, not happiness.
Happier means happiness.
But you still can gain happiness without money.
Yes, it can. But if I got money, I can have an extra happiness.
Okay, I got your point. Seems like you have been convinced me.
So
Okay,
come to
so-
the end.
Okay, I agree with your point.
Okay,
Alright.
so we finalize our
Our opinions.
our opinion.
Okay.
So three of us agree that money equals to happiness, right?
Just like
Yeah, because-
more of the people
Yeah.
think that money is equal to happiness.
Yeah.
Yeah, as
most
a Chinese
of the
proverb,
people.
we all heard before that money is the everything, but without money we are nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Just-
that's all.
Okay, that's all from us.
Bye.
Goodbye. See you.
Enough already.